Let's now welcome in our next candidate. Bulacan.
Hi everyone, I'm Lars Pacheco. I'm 27 years old and I came from the fireworks capital of the Philippines, Bukawi, Bulacan. I wear so many hats in my head. I am a business owner, a beauty queen, a fur mommy, and I'm a tita to my pamangkin and at the same time girlfriend to my boyfriend for 6 years now. And also I'm a beauty queen. So I represented the Philippines last year in Miss International Queen in Thailand, and also I am Miss Q&A 2018, second runner-up together with Juliana Pariscoba and Matmat Centino. And at the same time, the most embarrassing thing that ever happened to me is that I got to experience wardrobe malfunction in national television, if you know that. So that's all for now, and thank you so much for being here and taking pride to be at the front line of our rainbow fight for equality and being part of the Queen Philippines organization. Thank you.
May I just ask you, what do you do for a job? What is your job?
Aside from being a beauty queen and earning from it, I last pandemic I established my own brand, which I called Solars. So the last 5,000 pesos I have in my ATM, I really use it as capital to start up my business. I started buying one bottle of glutathione. I bought it for 1,200 and sell it for 1,500 pesos. So I got a profit of 300. And when I got my first 50,000, that's when I started my own brand. I researched for a manufacturer that manufactures slimming juice, of course. It's very, very, what do you call it? It's uso in our community to be fit, to be sexy. And I got to have my own slimming juice. And up until now, it got so much like 600,000 sold in TikTok shops. So if you want to try Miss Small Laude, I know you're glutalipo, but you can try also Garci Cola. Thank you.
Lars, what are your advocacies?
Last year, I won Miss International Queen Philippines. And I don't know if I can say this, but during the pandemic, I almost got into prostitution because I don't have money anymore. I almost got into it. But I really said to myself that no, there is potential in you. And I won last year in Miss International Queen Philippines, and they are partnered with Love Yourself Philippines, who advocates for HIV awareness and AIDS. And I think that should be emphasized in this platform because mostly those people who got infected by HIV is the trans women, my community. And so I am making a stand here in front of the world and the Philippines that I am not disagreeing in the sex work because it's work. But I think that there is potential in every one of us. That's not just the option for all of us. We can do something. And that is my advocacy, to partner with Love Yourself Philippines in advocating and informing the world for HIV awareness. Thank you.
Do we have any other questions from our judges? Thank you very much, Miss Bulacan.
Thank you, everyone, and see you later.